Welcome to Short Stack Slots. I'm out at High Winds Casino today. I'm going to be playing Neptune Power Link. Here's our progressives. We're going to start off on the 1 cent denom, betting $2.25 a spin. We need 6 of those numbers right there. There's our free game symbol. We need 3 of them. Come on. 2 more. Do a couple fast taps here. Here we go. Got us a $15 win there. Come on. 30-cent return. Alright guys, we're going to up that bet. We're going to go to $3.75 a spin. See if we can get us a bonus on this game. $2 back on that one. Drop us those orbs. Or free games. Got us some jacks right there for $3.25. Come on, 3 more. Do some fast taps here, guys. $7.50 win there on a $3.75 bet. This one's being stubborn. Let's just do a couple spins on 6. Last spin. We got a little something. $8. 2 more spins, guys. Come on, 1 more. Oh, we got it, guys. On a $6 bet. All right, we're going to get 5 free spins. We need 6 or more orbs to trigger the Power Link feature.
The power of Neptune.
Yes, give me that power. There we go. Some money. All right, guys. We're going to collect those orbs and that green one. There we go, $50. Oh, and it's added to it. Good deal. Keep throwing it down. Yeah. All right. Ooh, it's doing some more. Come on, Neptune. Keep adding that money up. Any more? All right. Good win, guys. That was our first spin. $69.20 went on that. We're going to do a couple of backups. 1 more. Alright, thank you so much for watching Short Stack Slots. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Hit that thumbs up button and I'll see you soon.